Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. Well, not really different because it's still makeup, but I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday eyebrow on my right eyebrow and my glam eyebrow on my left eyebrow. If you want to know how I did it, then please keep watching. Right, so I'm going to start off with I'm going to do my right eyebrow as my standard everyday eyebrow, and then I'm going to go through on the left eyebrow how I'm going to do my going out glamour eyebrow using different products. So let me just zoom you in. So starting off with my right eyebrow, doing everyday, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. This is what I use for everyday natural eyebrows, only thing I ever use. So start off with the spoolie end, and you just want to brush it all the way through, make it all nice and fluffy. At the moment my eyebrows are a little bit chaotic. Next one, just want to go all the way up. Oh, I've got a little eyebrow hair on there. Give yourself a little bit of product. Then I start off with just in the middle of my eyebrow, and gentle brush strokes outwards. I do this quite quickly because I don't change the shape of my eyebrow. So you literally just go in over, make sure I carve out and define the arch of my eyebrow. That's my main thing. And then just quickly drag out the tail. That's it. And then at the beginning, brush up, make the line, gently create them strokes, and then get the spoolie end and brush out. That is it. That is my day today. Then for my left eyebrow I'm going to use the more defined. So I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I use the one Taupe, and then get a small angled brush. Start off with just spoolie it out. Get my angled brush, I like to get quite a bit of products. I don't do little and takes a lot, no. So back on there, I go from the start, sweep it out. So it's the same technique really, but I take my time more defining my glam eyebrow. So obviously because I've got a lot of product on there, I don't have to touch up as much, but I like to very slowly create the don't know what you call the outer one, arch, bigger arch, and then the underneath. Now I normally use concealer to define it more, but because I've already done my base, because when I use the everyday I use the base, I already have the base on. So with this one, when I do the beginning, cause obviously because it's quite harsh, I then only take whatever's left on the brush to then do the beginning bit, because obviously make it quite fluffy. So right at the beginning, all the way over and brush it up just to create that fluffiness, and then get the spoolie and I only brush out the front bit. I only realign the hairs in there. So let me just do a little closer up of different eyebrows. So this is my natural everyday eyebrow. As you can see, my eyebrows need doing. And then this is my going out eyebrow. As you can see, it's more defined, it's more darker if you put it that way. So obviously both of them together, as you can see, they're both the natural eyebrow shape. I don't create an eyebrow, but obviously this one's more fuller, this one's more fluffy, so it depends which one you want. I'm just going to zoom you back out again. So that is literally it. Dead short, dead simple. If you do have any questions about how I maybe cut my eyebrow, like when I use my concealer, I'm more than happy to show you that. But this was literally a quick tutorial on how I do my everyday eyebrow and how I do my going out glam eyebrow. They're very simple, very easy to do. Yeah, so if you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!